Everybody, hope everybody's having a good day. Welcome back to the vlog. You see, I got all these cars turned off because I gotta move them all because I got a couple homies coming over. We are gonna do the headlights on my Jetta. Gotta buff out all that nasty stuff, all that crap, get it off the headlights. And yeah, you guys don't know, I just bought this car. I'm gonna explain more about it right now. All right, so this is my 2002 Volkswagen Golf TDI. It's the 4-door. It's a real gas saver, you know, Golf. TDI stands for the diesel version. This car really saves you a lot of money on gas. The whole point of this car, it's a daily car. It's really nice. And yeah, it's just a good old car. It's a diesel, it's reliable. It gets me to point A to point B without any issues. This is an 02. And for you Volkswagen guys, from the 99 to 2003 model is the best one to get because it's the ALH TDI, the 1.9. That's the one that lasts forever, never breaks down. That was my whole point in buying it, so it could last forever. But yep, let me move all these cars and get right to the video. And I know the majority of you guys clicked on this video to talk about her. She is the main topic of the video. As you can see, she's in the thumbnail, she's in the description, she's the title of the video and everything. So we will talk about her in a bit. So for the meantime, let's move all these cars. Jesse just came over. We're gonna do his headlights as well. You guys missed it, I didn't get it on camera. The homie really almost died. Oh my God. He was making a U-turn right there and the car just came flying by and he didn't see it. He was like an inch away from smacking it. Damn, bro. All right, we're about to put the daily inside. I love this car. Heated seats in the daily. This has been coming in clutch because it's been raining low-key in Palmdale and it sucks. But yeah, everything sorted out. My boy Jesse, the one that almost died, is moving the Beamer. That's kind of sketch, but you know, he made a mistake, but it's okay. It's okay. He shall redeem himself.
I didn't stop, I guess. So I went in and I just turned like a dumbass. I didn't see them behind me.
I didn't see him either. When I turned the car, that car's quiet. I didn't see it at all.
So like I came and I just assumed no one was behind me, so I could just make a quick U.
And
they're like, "Beep!" Oh,
and you're like,
the dude was all mad because there was a chick in the driver's seat and the dude in the passenger. He's like, "What the fuck?" I'm like, "I'm so sorry," because I knew I was in the wrong.
Yeah, there's no point in trying to argue.
Yeah, and then she just looked at me and she honked me and I was like, "I'm sorry, go."
Damn, Jesse. That fucking sucks, bro. But it's okay. I've been there. Everybody's been there. But yeah. Almost died. And you. They bro, hiking. They slammed on their brakes. Yeah, they slammed on their brakes.
Because I pulled up, I looked at you.
I'm pretty sure you were just in that mindset, like, oh, I need to park my car and just sit down.
Yeah,
I do that shit all the time. I don't look at cars at times when they're coming. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna do my car first. You gotta buff out these headlights. This is already some difference. Damn. Look at this shit. You can see it. And then that's how they were.
Oh my God, yeah.
That's how they were, and that's how they are now. And if anybody wants to, using the Reguires, the heavy duty one, I use it on all the cars, from the truck to the Audi to the Beamer, even because it had a little bit of fade, and to the Sienna that you guys can't see. So yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. All right, so this is the first pass with the headlight kit, everything. That's how the driver's side looked compared to the passenger, and that's how it looked before. So that's a big difference just with one. I'll probably give it 2 on each side just to make sure it's really clear. And yeah, these headlights are gonna come out clean. Got my boy Jesse, Dario, Carlos here. And are we waiting for anybody else?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, but he's still coming back from the valley though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. Shit looks clean. I might not even get aftermarket headlights. Keep it like that. And for the people who want to know what product I'm using, this is McGuire's headlight restoration kit. I'm not going to give a DIY because the instructions are right there and it's simple. So, you know, you guys just read and do it. So, yeah. Let's get on to the next one.
Yeah, that's it.
You guys can see, look at the passenger side compared to this one. I got to redo this one more. But, damn. It's a big difference compared to how it was. I'm going to throw up another picture right now so you guys can compare it. And sheesh. Let me buff this one out. Hey, it's not Dieselgate. I'm gonna blow this one out a little bit more and we'll show you guys the end result. Alright guys, this is the end of it, how it looks. Sorry for the noise, it's a tractor running. Looks really clean, proud of the work. About to throw in Jesse's Subaru right now. He's gonna back up my car and put in his Subaru in, and we're gonna do his headlights. Yeah, that's the daily 2002 Volkswagen Golf TDI. You know, diesel for the win, because that good gas mileage for the win. And yeah, guys, I've always loved Golf. Favorite car, one of my favorite cars. All right, guys, so we just finished buffing out Jesse's headlights, and then Carlos did his headlights. So I'm gonna go to the park with them to McAdams, and I'm gonna talk about the BMW right now. All right, so excuse the steering wheel in the way, but yeah, so I'm gonna get right to the topic. Am I selling my 335i? Yes and no. So I had it up for 2 weeks because I wanted to buy an E92 M3. You guys don't know what E92 M3 is. For the people who have been following me, they know that I've been really wanting one. It is the glorified version of a 3 Series. It is the sport edition. It is the track edition of the 3 Series, basically. Trackable road car is what basically it is. And what that is that it is a 4.0 liter V8. It is a lot girthier than a regular 3 Series. It is aesthetically, it is a lot girthier than a regular 3 Series. It is nicer. It is buffer. It's just a nice, pleasing car. And of course, I wanted that car because who wouldn't mind having that high revving V8? It is a high revving V8. It revs up to like 8,500,000 RPM. Redline is at 9K, something like that. It's a really high revving V8, and it's a sick ass car. And I really wanted it. So I went through this little phase where I wanted to sell my car fast. I wanted it. So what turned upon that was after I was selling my car, posted on everything, I did some like thinking. Now that I wasn't being an impulse buy, now that it wasn't being I need to go now, did some thinking. I've decided that if the car sells in the next week or two, it's gone. But if it does not sell, which I really doubt, I will be keeping the E92 M3. I mean, I will be keeping my 335i, and I will be building it full bolt-on, stage 2 plus, 2-step, everything. I will be building it the way I want to build it, and I'm gonna continue building that car. And with the money I have, I'm gonna start a business. And looking at it. And I have set this personal goal that once I reach 100K in profit, in money, I will be buying the E92 M3 when I reach my goal. So I'm still gonna get an E92 M3, but now I'm gonna set personal goal. Once I reach 100K, I will be buying that car. So that's where I am. That's where I am on that. And it's good. I'm setting personal goals for myself, and I am making sure that I accomplish stuff first, because obviously once I get the E92 M3, I'm gonna have to deal with M tax. I'm gonna have to deal with expensive maintenance. I'm gonna have to get expensive everything because it's an M. So you have like a 25 to 30% tax on everything else just because it's an M3. It's the luxurious, most expensive model. So I want, and insurance is always going to be more expensive. So I want to be financially capable to handle that car, because I was going in that mindset to just buying that car like that, cash up front, everything, and like not having any oh crap funds. So that is my mindset on that, and that is now my goal is to obtain that when I am financially able and financially responsible, which I am proud to say that it will be coming very soon, because once I start my business, I will be going all out in my business, and I will be doing my absolute best to have everything ready and have everything be just cool and ready for me when I start my business. So yeah. So that is the final outcome of the headlights. That's that. And Jesse's too. Jesse's came out clean. So yep. I'm gonna eat my food, and they're gonna play we're all gonna play a little bit of handball, but I'm gonna eat first, get my stuff ready. Yeah, on this nice, beautiful day. The game. Homies are still playing. We gotta go to work. Yeah, we're gonna end the video on this note.